Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, kind of a mixed trade overnight. The grain markets are just a little easier. Stock market's going to open up higher. The dollar's higher and gold's a little bit lower. Everyone was on the edge of their seat last night, both for the end of the Super Bowl and also the opening of the Chinese stock market. China stock market opened up almost 9% lower and held there. The Chinese injected $174 billion into their stock market to try to stabilize it. There is talk that the Chinese may continue to inject additional funds to try to keep the stock market either where it is or actually maybe even move higher. That injection caused the Hong Kong market to actually close higher, and that's maybe why our stock market is also higher. As far as the grains are concerned, the coronavirus continues to be the top headline. And right now there's a total number of 17,000 cases, 361 deaths. So inside China, this is more deaths than the SARS. We also noted that the first death was announced outside of China in the Philippines. Some people still feel that this will be under control. And once it's under control, we could see more stable markets. There is rumors floating around that as soon as today, the Chinese might start buying ag commodities. The Commerce Minister in China said that they would soon start buying world meat to import to cover up for some of the shortfalls. U.S. pork is the cheapest meat in the world. There's also rumors out of Europe that they may come in and start buying U.S. corn, importing it into some of their feed areas in the south to help build up some of their herds there. We also noted that for the week, wheat prices down roughly 20 cents, corn down 6, soybeans down 30 cents. Some people, though, think that in this February month, especially if China starts buying the CRB index and the grains, may start offering a little bit of support and maybe even rallying a little bit. And so it's not the time to be chasing down markets. As far as South America is concerned, good weather in Brazil, rains are falling in Argentina, and we're still looking for the possibility of record Brazil soybean crops. Argentina crops might be down a little bit. Other weather notes globally, finally some rains in eastern Australia, but it's too late to help the crops there now. And also we saw some rains in the Russia and Ukraine winter wheat crop areas, and that'll help crops there. Funds, we estimate long 40 wheat, short 40 corn, which is lower than what we had thought. So they bought back a lot of their short corn position last week. They're also net short 70 beans. So one note is that it's a little early to talk about it, but USDA USDA World Outlook Board said that they will try to make some adjustments in the February 11th report based on the Phase 1 deal. We don't think that the U.S. Trade Group gave them any indication of what China agreed to, but some people think that they could lower the soybean carryout 25 million bushels from 475, lower the corn anywhere from 50 to 100 million bushels from 1892, and maybe lower wheat 65 million bushels from their 965 number. So that could give us a little shot in the arm as far as February 11th USDA report. To date, most of the reports have been bearish. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.